Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. If you're planning a trip to Osaka and looking for a budget-friendly, super convenient place to stay, I've got a spot you'll want to check out. Our vacation in Osaka, Japan, we stayed at Hotel Erin West Osaka, located right in the heart of Naniwa. This hotel is just a few steps away from Shin Imamiya Station, which means getting around Osaka is ridiculously easy. You've got both JR and metro lines nearby, so whether you're heading to Dotonbori, Namba, or even Universal Studios Japan, it's all super accessible. Hotel Erin West Osaka is a self-service hotel with no front desk. Guests will receive check-in instructions and key access details via email within 24 hours of their arrival. Check-in begins at 2 p.m. The rooms here are simple but clean and cozy, perfect for solo travelers, couples, or like us, family of 4. It may not be a luxury hotel, but it has everything you need: air conditioning, clean sheets, free Wi-Fi, a microwave, water heater, kitchen utensils, an induction cooker if you feel like cooking, and yes, even a toilet that doesn't judge you. Definitely a great deal. Here's the veranda, a view from both day and night. From the veranda, we could see the front of the building across the street, and you can see the Abino Harukas building. There's also a washing machine available on the veranda. We did our laundry here since we brought fewer clothes with us due to limited luggage space. Here's the hallway on the floor where our room is located. It's just near the hotel elevator, and there's also a fire exit nearby for emergencies. If you're tired from a day tour and prefer not to eat out, there's a daily Yamazaki convenience store just across the building. There's also a small grocery store right next to the hotel, and beside that is Kitchen Origin. Family Mart is also nearby. You'll find one at each end of the block, on both sides of the street. Shin Imamiya Station on the JR line is within walking distance, about 3 to 4 minutes. Here's our actual video showing the walk from outside Hotel Erin to the station. There is also a Daiso nearby, just a few meters away on the same side of the hotel. And a Mega Don Quixote shop across the street, about a 5-minute walk from the hotel. Another big plus: you're just a few minutes away from the iconic tower in Shinsekai, the Tsutenkaku Tower, the retro vibes of Shinsekai, and the local food scene. We booked this hotel for 9 days for 3 adults and 1 child through the Agoda website, at least 2 months before our travel dates. The total cost was just 59,376 yen and 70 sen. That's about 23,000 Philippine pesos and roughly $402 and 60 cents. Using an exchange rate of 1 Japanese yen is almost equal to $0.00678. That's how affordable it is. So if you're looking for a budget stay that's all about location, convenience, and a little local flavor, Hotel Aaron West Osaka is worth checking out. I'll drop the address in the description below. If you found this helpful, give the video a like and subscribe. If you have some questions, let me know in the comments and I will try my best to answer. Thank you for watching, guys. Hope you have an amazing time in Japan soon.